Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are fine today. I am here to tell you how to practice in English, how to converse on the different topics, how to make the fluency, how to practice in the beginning level. And most of the beginners they say we don't have the thoughts, we don't have the topics to talk on, we don't have the different topics to practice on in English language. So I am here to tell you how to do these kinds of activities. You can see behind there's a green field and just beside me a tree of people. So we need to do one thing, that we don't need to worry about the topics, because whatever is just before you, whatever you are seeing around you, you can talk on them. You can see that behind me in this big field, mustard crops is waving, which will take about a month more to ripen. In the same field, the farmer has also grown some brinjal plants. Farming is the main source of livelihood for the people of the place. This scene is very soothing. Pure air, pure water, pure food. Here, you will never fall ill. You should go to the village whenever you get time. You can practice speaking English by selecting such topics and some more for topics like this. So as I suggested you to practice in English like these kinds of topic, you can include in your conversation. You can choose the topic from your surroundings. You can take any object to speak on. You can take any object like trees, like which is available in your home, the morning to evening routine, your yesterday, your present, your future, your any special target, and your future plans, and your daily activities to talk on. So these are just simple topic. You can easily talk on them. You can learn new vocabulary and you can speak on them. You need to make the sentences fit the vocabulary and speak on them. So keep watching my video. Please subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.